So first and foremost, that old age question, law firm करना है या in-house counsel करना है? Should I do a law firm or should I do an in-house counsel job? And what are the governing considerations that should be there on basis of what I should be deciding whether I should be doing a law firm job or I should be doing an in-house counsel job? So first and foremost, both are very different jobs. The nature is very different, and I'm not talking about the long working hours and hectic schedule or hectic environment. I'm also talking about the kind of work you do in both these places. First, and also understand one thing, this is a misnomer that in-house counsel jobs are very cushy and they do not require you to work. If you'll ask anybody who is working in ITC, who is working in Reliance, you'll know that you equally have to pull up your socks when you're working in these places. Here also, like any other place, there will be regular performance appraisal, the amount of work you'll be given tight deadlines, you'll be working in tight deadlines. There will be a lot of firefighting that would be happening if probably some raid has happened against your company or you're involved in a criminal dispute. So it's just that the nature of work is different. What happens in a law firm is that as soon as you go there, you are assigned a team. You'll be assigned a team, and majorly you will be working in that specific area. But that's not how in-house counsels work. They have to work on everything. In-house counsels team do not have specialization. They work on almost all areas. Today they'll have to, if there's a project that comes for your approval from the legal team. So generally the way things work is there will be a marketing team, there will be a business team, business plan, who will be planning future things. And before any project goes live, it will always come to the legal team for vetting, for flagging out that these are the legal issues that will be arising. And that is where your skills come into picture. You need to know the intellectual property issues that will come. You need to know the tax issues that might come. You and most of the time what happens is, if you don't know, you will have to send out a legal opinion, which will take time and a lot of money on the company. And slowly, if somebody else can do it and flag out within their team, that person will be working in a much better manner. So in hiring, they keep in mind, they look at people who have knowledge of everything. So in law firm interview, what happens is they will not have that much focus on HR part, on whether you're a team player, what are your other skills. They will be focusing on how good a student you are, whether you had top grades in your class, whether you wrote papers, because it's a very legal and niche work that you will be doing in law firm. And also they have a lot of people, so there's a training methodology, there are a lot of other skills that they require. But in an in-house counsel, when you'll be sitting for an interview, they'd be looking as somebody who can take care of their issues, who can look at the business needs, who has good understanding of financials, who has a good understanding of different fields of law, who knows litigation, who knows corporate. And most importantly, all these interview questions are very, very specific.